piece of Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on this Craftsman gas trimmer. As you can see, it has a tough time starting, and when it does start, it just doesn't want to like idle up or rev up. So we are going to fix that with this new carb kit. So let's dive in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Found it? Alright, awesome. Let's dive in. So here's the carb kit that I ordered. I got this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But basically it's just a carburetor, a couple of fuel lines, a fuel filter I think is in here. So let's start by opening up this air cover box, and just using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to pop these two screws out here. That comes off. You can see that gasket's in there. We're going to unhook the throttle on it and pull our fuel lines off here. And I'm going to pull the gas tank off. Probably don't need to, but it'll make it a little bit easier. That comes off like that. And you can see inside of there, there's that breather valve as well as the actual fuel line. So let's slide that through. Alright, we've got all that out now. Now we'll take our new fuel line, just measure it up against the old one. That's approximately what we need. Cut that down. Take our new fuel filter. Slide that on. And we'll just do the same with this this breather line here. Hook up our new breather line. Actually, it's probably going to be easier to do feeding this in first. Hook that up and pull it back through. And actually probably same thing with the fuel line here. Let's do that. Pull that through and hook up our fuel filter. Push that back in. And push our line in. There we go. Alright, let's pop out this old O-ring here. Put in our new one. Then we'll take our carburetor, we'll hook up the throttle line on it. Now we can sandwich this plate back on. We got both of our screws lined up, so put these back on. You don't have to go cranking these on, it is just going into plastic, so just snug. Alright, we can flip this over. Let's put our fuel tank back on. So yellow, just a reminder, yellow has the breather on it. That comes from here. Black line feeds the carburetor. That goes there. Then we can slide this back in and run our 2 screws in. Once again, this is just plastic, so don't go cranking on it. Squeeze that, put that back in. We'll end up cleaning out our breather filter here, but that's pretty much it. Well, let's go fill it up with gas. If we have to adjust the carburetor, we can. That's it. Alright, so we got some pre-mixed gas here. Let's fill it up. Alright, setting 1. We'll give it probably 10 or so pumps before we'll watch the fuel line here. Actually, the breather line, until we get all the air bubbles out of it. Seems to be running good. Idles up, starts pretty easy. And we didn't have to adjust the carb on this, so let's give it a spin. Yeah. Well, I'd say that I don't remember it ever running that good, but I go put on some glasses and some shoes and continue. So, hope you found this helpful. Till next time, take care.